All right, so today we are finishing up on the dry-in for at least the office and lab side. And then we've got Kevin's crew out here, and they are adding these lines. And so what these lines are measuring is the where the bracket will go that holds the 2x4 framing, which then the pro panel gets attached to. So there'll be a bracket here and a bracket running along the lower side, which they haven't hung this yet. And then those metal brackets will hold that 2x4. And then the pro panel, which will be smooth on the inside of the arena, which is over here, will be attached to that 2x4 panel, or framing. And that goes around the entire thing. So I think that they're just installing the brackets today, and then in the next couple of days, they'll actually go ahead and install the wood frame, which goes on before the pro panel. So that's the order of operations for the wall installation. And again, the wall is going to come up, I think right about here, so on the inside. So yeah, that's the sense. Another thing that I've noticed is that I do actually get about 1 bar of Wi-Fi signal, probably coming off this building here, the Seek building, or maybe it's aerospace. So what I probably will do is install a larger Wi-Fi antenna, mount a directional Wi-Fi antenna somewhere on here that will receive that signal, amplify it, and hopefully then we can kind of bypass doing any kind of Ethernet-based conduit and trenching to get over here. It's not ideal, but honestly, a lot of the stuff that we are going to be doing in terms of data transfer are just on hard drives that will take to and from the lab. So email or Wi-Fi really is going to just be for email, some sort of basic screenshots and some GitHub, polls and things of that nature, so not super high bandwidth. So I think if we were able to do the Wi-Fi extender, that should cover our bases for internet, at least for the time being.